The F-150 Raptor is a monster of a truck right from the factory off-road, but it's not the best at towing. As you can see, we have a pretty light load on this trailer back here, and the truck is squatting pretty good, which is unsafe and unstable. So today we're going to fix that squat with some help from Timbren. When towing or hauling heavy items in the bed of your Raptor, the rear end can tend to sag, making it unstable and handle poorly. So today we're going to make our Raptor tow like a champ by installing this Timbren rear SES suspension upgrade kit. This Timbren suspension kit is designed to be an easy direct bolt-on replacement for your factory bump stops. It includes two heavy-duty hollow rubber progressive springs that eliminate sagging and squatting for a better and safer towing experience. They're designed to fit your 2010 to 14 F-150 Raptor and can support up to 3,000 pounds, so today we're going to install them on our 2013 F-150 Raptor. Tools you'll need for this installation: 13mm socket, 17mm socket, an extension, 3/8 ratchet, and a 17mm wrench. Installing the suspension upgrade is pretty simple. All we have to do is remove the factory bump stop. Now we have this wheel off just for filming purposes. You can do this on the ground with the wheels on. It's very simple to install. We just have the wheel off to make it easier to show you. Okay, for this you're going to want a short 13mm socket with a wobble extension. Pull the bump stop back to get the socket up in there, and then loosen the bolt that secures it. Once you get the bolt removed, the bump stop comes right out. We can now assemble our rubber spring to the bracket, take the longer provided bolt and drop it into the spring and have it come out the bottom. Attach the spring to the bracket with the bolt that you just put through the spring. Tighten it with a 17mm socket. Get it nice and snug, then repeat the process for the other spring and bracket. Before you attach the spring to the bracket, grab the shorter bolt that's provided with the lock washer and place it into the bracket and have it come out this hole. Then you can install your spring. And we needed to install this bolt first, because if we didn't, you can't install it with the spring on. Now we can do the same thing to the other bracket and spring. With both of them assembled, we can install them onto the truck. They are side specific. This one is labeled left, so this will go on the driver's side. Then you can put the Timbren in place, have these two tabs on the inside of the frame, and then line up your bolt hole. Once you get the bolt tightened by hand, you can tighten it with a 17mm wrench. All right, once you get it tight, you can do the same process on the other side. Once you get both springs installed, make sure you have about a 1/2 inch of clearance or more at the bottom of the spring, and once you do, your installation is finished. Okay, so we got our Timbren suspension upgrade installed on the back of our 2013 Raptor. It really helped with the squatting of this truck. There's still a little bit of squat, but it's way better than what it was before. It's gonna make towing this Mustang a whole lot easier and safer. Install should only take about 30 to 45 minutes, and before you know it, you'll be heading to the track.